so much fun and pretty hard because we only have 5 minutes to transform our slime. And for round 1, we have Starbucks slime. And this looks like one from like Walmart or Target.
And this is from Karina Garcia, so there's not much to fix.
Okay, let's check out what we're working with. Ooh.
Okay.
Oh wow, this is very, very sticky.
Mine's not sticky.
Okay. Oh wow.
It's poppy pink. I don't smell anything.
Whoa, this is very sticky,
Ooh, so
but I like the
maybe
color.
I'll add a scent.
Okay, I definitely need activator. Look at this, it's so sticky.
I think I'm just gonna transform my slime by making it bigger and softer and
Mine-
maybe add a scent.
Mine definitely needs activator. I like the color. Maybe some.
Oh, look at this. Look. Is it so satisfying when you like poke it? And it makes that.
Oh wow. Okay. First one there.
Ah! I made it.
Okay. So for my oh, look at this. Ooh, so many new slime supplies. Finally. Okay. Look at these sprinkles. I'm getting blue sprinkles because I have a blue slime. And I don't really want to change the color because I see some new blue glitter here that I want to use. And new pigments and color. Okay, it might get foggy when I add the activator. So, ooh, this blue pigment color. And activator. Where's the activator? Oh no! Activator!
Sprinkles! So I think I'm gonna take this pink sprinkles. Ooh, a pigment. Here, I'll take like a light one because it's a light one. And I'll take, we have magical clay. Okay, I'll take these two. And what else? Ooh, scent. Where's the scent? Oh, here they are. They're in a shoebox. Bubblegum, perfect. Okay guys, so we got all our slime supplies and I can't believe that we have 5 minutes to fix these slimes. We usually get 10.
Okay, let's set the timer. Hey Siri, set a timer for 5 minutes.
Hey Siri!
Set a timer for 5 minutes.
I don't think his Hey Siri's on.
Set a timer for 5 minutes.
Nope.
Eventually.
Setting the timer. Your timer is set for 5 minutes.
Why does it sound like
so
that?
weird? Okay, I'm adding activator to my slime because it's really sticky.
Okay, I'm getting all my pigment out. Okay, there's a lot. It's such a pretty pigment.
Okay, more activator.
Oh my god. Okay, so I'm trying to turn it like a nice, like a really nice pink. And there's a lot of pigment.
Starting to activate. Give me these. Okay, yay, my slime is starting to activate. I just need a little bit more.
Okay, I think I have like way too
What?
much pigment.
It's only been 2 minutes. What?
Okay, this is the magical clay. Okay, I'm really hoping that the magical clay makes it bigger, better, and like softer.
Okay, this activator is working and it's like a fluffy jiggly slime. I have no idea why it's fluffy. Okay. Pigment time. Ooh, I really like this color.
Okay. I'm just working on the magical clay.
Wow, look at this. It's so metallic. Okay. Whoa. Okay, let's work this in. This pigment is so awesome. I love the color of this.
I think I kind of just ruined this because I made it a little bit more harder, but it's okay.
How's that okay?
Because I'm gonna add sprinkles.
Hey, I was just about to say it's time to add the sprinkles to mine.
Are they edible?
Wow, look how cool that looks. I totally transformed this slime, but I'm not done just yet. I have this awesome new blue glitter to add. It looks so pretty.
Okay, let me add the scent. How much do I add? Ooh, it smells good.
Ring! Someone's at our
I add
door.
a lot.
Or a car drove by. Look at this. Wow.
Okay.
Oh wow, that smells good.
You can smell it. It's bubble gum.
I know, I can smell it. Wow. I really like this slime. I really transformed it. Hey Siri, how much time left on the timer? Oh, there's no hey Siri.
Well,
18 seconds. Okay, I'm adding the rest of my sprinkles.
okay. Wow, I thought it would go faster for 18 seconds.
Ah! Hands up! Okay, let's check them out, guys. Here's mine. Mine is a blue metallic. It's kind of like a fluffy, jiggly slime. It's weird. I have no idea why it's fluffy. It has blue glitter and blue sprinkles. See, like it's like fluffy and jiggly, and it's stretchy.
Mine is sweaty.
Well,
I transformed it into something else, but I don't know if I like it. It smells good, but it's like really strong.
oh wow, it is really strong.
And I thought the magical clay would soften it up, but it didn't work.
You
It
should have
just
used
made it
Daiso.
hard. So it was better before. I should have left it the way it was. But I do like what color the pigment turned it.
So what I hear is that I won round one.
No.
Yeah.
Never. Look, guys, it's a bouncy ball.
Wow, that's cool.
It's like a brain.
Okay guys, so it's round 2 and let's check out the slimes we have. These are not store-bought slimes. Whoa! Look at that.
Oh my god, this is like really...
Oh my god, I did not know this was liquid.
Ooh, it smells... Oh my god, it smells good. Smell this.
Oh wow, mine doesn't have a
It
scent.
smells like caramel apple. Okay, so...
For Sunday!
Didn't even run. So, I think I'm gonna choose a green glitter because I have a green slime. And, oh, definitely a green pigment. And, ooh, I should choose this magical clay because usually they work the best. On round 1, I used 2. I should have used 1. So, which green should I go with? The neon, this like dinosaur color. Okay, let's go with this one.
Wait, I didn't even show you guys what I'm working with. This is what it looks like. It's a sticky white slime with purple and pink glitter, so it definitely needs some activator.
Oh.
Okay, let's see. What can I do? Ooh, Daiso. I haven't used Daiso in a while because we just got white and we have like brown. Party glitter. I'm gonna use the new party glitter. Look at how pretty it is. It has so many different colors. And a pigment. Ooh, I like this purple metallic pigment. And of course, can't forget activator. So that's it.
Oh no, guys, I forgot the activator. Oh well, hopefully this magical clay works.
Okay guys, so it's time to set the timer. And Hey Siri isn't like on here, so we have to.
You just showed your password.
Hey Siri, set a timer for 5 minutes.
Setting.
Why
Your
does,
timer is
Why
set
does
for
it
5
sound
minutes.
like a robot?
I have no idea.
Okay, so
I'm adding my Daiso first.
I don't think this is
If
working.
I can open it.
Smells good.
Good thing I chose the purple pigment because purple took over, pink lost. Okay.
I'm gonna add my pigment. It might help.
I'm adding in the Daiso first so it'll be easier to mix in.
Hopefully this will thicken it up and make it
Come together.
Okay, I better mix fast because we ran out of time last
Okay,
time.
I got the Daiso mixed in, so now I just need to add the activator.
Oh, sorry, our ring keeps going off. I don't know who's out there. Maybe it's a fan. Guys, a fan came to our house and just like a whole bunch of slime there, and
We were excited, but kind of scared because
Yeah.
how do they know where we live?
Okay, it's working.
Mine is working too. This is working good.
I feel like a frog.
Fraud?
Frog.
Why do you feel like a frog?
Because look at the color.
It's the color green. Okay, I really thickened this up. Oh my god.
What's a fraud?
You always cheat.
Oh my my god, guys, look at this pretty green and how it turned out. I love it, I love it, I love it.
I'm adding the pigment. Oh no, there's red food coloring on the bottle and I touched it.
Now we need glitter, lots and lots of glitter.
Whoa, look at that. Okay. Oh, this is pretty hard to mix in. I still turned it too hard. I think I should have activated the slime first. Okay, how much time left?
Oh my god, 20 seconds.
Let me add my glitter.
Okay.
If it'll even mix in.
Look how pretty that looks. I really transformed.
We did it!
I did it. You did not do it.
Okay, so I transformed it, but it's something else. It's like a sparkly rock. I made a sparkly rock.
I made good slime. It's perfect color. It's like, smells like bubble gum. It mixed with caramel apple because there's still some bubble gum. But smell it.
Oh, wow.
It's not too much. It has glitter. It smells like a candy store. And it's a pretty metallic green. And I have a lot of glitter on it too.
And my sparkly rock.
Nobody likes a sparkly rock.
I do. Well, it was transformed this slime and I transformed it into a rock. So if you guys like my rock, comment on TikTok. You can even turn it into a pancake.
You can make mine into a bubble.
A sparkly taco. Hey, wait. Hey!
It's Barney.
Sorry, Barney.
Okay. Look at mine. It's fluffy and I don't even know how it was fluffy. Last round I made a rock and this round Mary made a rock. And last time she made like a fluffy great slime. And this time I made a fluffy great slime. What are you doing?
I'm making a taco shell.
Here's the lettuce.
Or the whole wait. Oh wow, your slime is very sticky.
Cheese. More cheese.
Here's the taco. Now it looks more like a hot dog now.
Pepper. Salt. Some cheese. Glitter explosion.
No, it's more like this.
Glitter explosion.
Well, bye guys! Thanks for watching. Please remember to give this all